totally dumpster. Fun TV. Hey guys, welcome to the world's biggest Power Wheel dealership. As you can see, I have many Power Wheels at my Power Wheel dealership. Now let me show you some of the Power Wheels that I own. I arranged them from the biggest Power Wheels to the medium Power Wheels. Next, I have the motorcycle. And over here, I have some of the Power Wheels that can do tricks. Finally, I have two super large Power Wheels. These Power Wheels are strong and they can do cool tricks. So these are my top two favorites. Now I'm gonna go see if any customers want to buy any cars from my Power Wheel dealership. Justin, I know a trick to play with free Power Wheels. But what if we go to jail? It won't happen. I have a cool trick. But how? I'll tell you later. Let's go. While I wait for some customers to come, I'm gonna clean a car. Whoa! Oh, hello. Welcome to the world's largest Power Wheel car dealership. Hi. Hi, how may I help you? We want to test out some cars. Are you guys just testing out or are you guys going to buy it? If the Power Wheels are fun, we might buy it. Of course the Power Wheels are fun. Take all the time you need. Yeah. Sure. There's a bunch of Power Wheels. Which ones do you guys want to see first? Can we see the smallest or biggest? Well, whatever you want to choose first. I'm going to choose the small. I'm going to choose number 19. I like this number 19. This looks cool. Can I try it? Yeah, you can try it. So, you sit on that. Seriously? Yeah. Press it now. Look, what is it? Oh, it has lights and sound. Number 20? Yeah! Yeah, it's really little. You can try it out. It's super fun. Wait, is it free to test it out? Yeah, it's free. Okay. Let's see that. It's so slow. How was it? It was fun and it's slow and it won't go anymore. Do you want to try another car? Sure. Let's go. So what car do you want to try? I want to try one that likes Justin. Okay, here's some cars that are like Justin's car. I don't like Batman that much. Ooh, Spider-Man looks cool. Do you want to use the Spider-Man car? Sure. Whoa, the wings fly. The doors fly. And then I'm gonna lock the doors. This one can't open. Wait, let's be careful with my car. I sprayed. Okay, it's winter. Stop. Stop. No. What happens here? I sprayed him with the Spider-Man web. You can't even do that. Can you do it once? But in case they did that. Chloe! Yes? Which car's faster? I'm not sure. Can we have a race? Sure. Yay! Let's set up our cars. And the race! We're gonna race all the way down to that fence. The first one to that fence wins. Guys, pick number 18 for Chloe to win. Because this is the PJ Mascot, which is number 18. No! Guys, Guys, choose number 60 for Casey team. Guys, choose Justin team, which is number 19. Are you guys ready? Yes! Steady! Go! These cars are so slow. We want to try something else. Because you guys are slow drivers, but okay. I'm going to try number 25. So which one do you want to buy? No. I don't want to buy. I want to test out. What? I'm not going to buy this either. Maybe I might buy it though. I guess I'll let you try it. I might buy this one. So which motorcycle do you want? Ooh, this police car looks cool. It has a key. It has noise. Yeah, this is number 12. I'll think about that. 14? Frozen. 14. It doesn't look that cool. This looks so cool. I might choose this one. But I don't really like the color. Is there any more else of these? There's white. Whoa, this one's pretty. I like this one. Do you want to try it out? Sure. I'm trying this one out. Not buy which really fast. Let me show you how fast it is. I accidentally hit something. What happened? This car isn't working anymore. You broke it. No, it just ran out of battery. Well, go get another car then. Okay. Let me. It's on this side. Oh. What the? Since they are driving police motorcycle, I'm gonna drive this motorcycle. Wow! Listen to both of them. Now listen to me. That's louder. Like it's not louder. It's like a higher pitch. Aren't that too? See? Guys, what motorcycle do you think is gonna be the fastest? Guys, choose 11 for Casey team. Choose 12 for Justin team. Choose 13 for Chloe team. Yeah! This time we're gonna drive forward, then drive back to this spot. Okay? Yeah. Are you guys ready? Yes. Steady? Pay for the rent. Look. Woof, woof. Look. It's a mini. It's a tiny mouse hole. Woof, woof. Tiny mouse hole. Tiny. You call that tiny? It's a big mouse hole. Yes. Click the like button to help me put this back together because I broke that with racing. You guys are driving way up there. I have to give you a ticket. You don't give us a ticket because I'm a police officer. For the other part of this Pretend Play series, press here now. For the other fun and exciting videos, press here. Here are my new fun videos. This is one of my favorite videos. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notifications. Smash that like button.